Hello, it's Margaret from Silesian Quilt. Today I'm doing free motion quilting with my Sweet 16 Handi Quilter. I made the little quilt. I use it for applique. I use it the template. This one, it's an umbrella. You will find the link below, and I'm using my grip for free motion quilting, and let's get started. First I go around my applique.
Is a night I'll never forget. So the boys got loaded, drunk and ain't been sober yet. As long as the bottle was passed around, every man was feeling gay. O'Leary came the bagpipes, some music for to play. That's how they showed their respect for Paddy Murphy. That's how they showed their honor and their pride. They said it was a sin and shame, they winked at one another. Everything the bass was all the night that Murphy died. As Mrs. Murphy stood in the corner, putting out her grief. And this gang came turning down the street. They went into an empty room on a bottle of whiskey store. Kept that bottle with the corpse to keep that whiskey cold. That's how they showed their respect for Paddy Murphy. That's how they showed their honor and their pride. They said it was a sin and shame, they winked at one another. Everything the bass was sold the night that Murphy died. In the morning, after emptying the jug, the door rose up the icebox lid to see poor Paddy's mug. We fixed the clock so Mrs. Murphy couldn't tell the time. And at 2:15, we argued it was 9. That's how they showed their respect for Paddy Murphy. That's how they showed their honor and their pride. They said it was a sin and shame, they winked at one another. Everything the place was sold the night that Murphy died. They left the hearse on George Street outside St. Dan's Saloon. They all went at 8:30 and stuck it out at noon. They went up to the graveyard, so holy and sublime. Found out when they got there, they left their corpse behind. That's how they showed their respect for Paddy Murphy. That's how they showed their honor and their pride. They said it was a sin and shame, they winked at one another. Everything the bass was sold the night that Murphy died. The night that Paddy Murphy died is a night I'll never forget. Some of the boys got loaded drunk and they ain't been sober yet. As long as the bottle was passed around, every man was feeling gay. And the bagpipes, some music for to play. That's how they showed their respect for Paddy Murphy. That's how they showed their honor and their pride. They said it was a sin and shame, they winked at one another. Everything the bass was sold the night that Murphy. That's how they showed their respect for Paddy Murphy.
Thank you for joining me today. If you like this tutorial, you can subscribe channel Silesian Quilt. Thank you again and see you soon. Bye bye.